The story of Audi begins, as so many great automotive stories do, with a man and his passion. This passion was not just for the machines themselves, but for the potential they held to change the world. The early 20th century was a time of great innovation and transformation, and the automotive industry was at the forefront of this change. August Horch, a German engineer with a love for automobiles, founded his first car company in 1899. Horch was not just an engineer, he was a visionary who saw the automobile as more than just a mode of transportation. He believed in the power of the car to connect people, to bring distant places closer, and to create new opportunities for commerce and communication. This was A. Horch and CE, and while it saw some success, Horch had a falling out with his business partners. The disagreements were not just about business strategies but also about the direction and vision for the company. Horch's relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation often clashed with the more conservative approaches of his partners. Not to be deterred, Horch started fresh in 1909. His determination and resilience were evident as he embarked on this new journey. He was driven by a desire to create something extraordinary, something that would stand the test of time. He founded a new company in Zwickau, Germany. Zwickau, a city with a rich industrial heritage, provided the perfect backdrop for Horch's ambitious plans. The city's skilled workforce and industrial infrastructure were crucial in bringing his vision to life. This company was initially called August Horch Automobilwerk GmbH. The name carried Horch's legacy and his commitment to quality and innovation. However, the challenges were far from over. Legal issues with his old company prevented him from using his own name. The legal battles were intense and draining, but Horch's resolve never wavered. He knew that a name was just a name, and what truly mattered was the spirit and quality of the cars he built. This led to a now legendary meeting. It was a gathering that would change the course of automotive history. Friends, family, and colleagues came together to brainstorm a new name for the company. Horch was discussing names with friends and family. The atmosphere was charged with excitement and anticipation. Everyone knew that this was more than just a name. It was about creating a brand that would embody Horch's vision and values. His son, a Latin student, suggested Audi. The suggestion was met with immediate approval. It was a name that was simple yet profound, a name that carried the essence of Horch's philosophy. This is the Latin translation of Horch, meaning listen in German. The name Audi symbolized the idea of listening to the needs and desires of the customers, of being attuned to the changing times and technological advancements. The name stuck, and a legacy was born. Audi quickly became synonymous with quality, innovation, and luxury. The early models were a testament to Horch's engineering prowess and his commitment to excellence. From the very beginning, Audi was synonymous with innovation and cutting-edge engineering. The company was always at the forefront of technological advancements, constantly pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Horch was determined to build high-quality cars that were both technologically advanced and aesthetically pleasing. He believed that a car should not only perform well, but also look beautiful. This philosophy became a cornerstone of the Audi brand. This commitment to excellence would become a hallmark of the Audi brand throughout its history. Over the decades, Audi has continued to innovate, setting new standards in automotive design and engineering. The legacy of August Horch lives on in every Audi car, a testament to his vision, passion, and relentless pursuit of perfection. Audi wasted no time in making its mark on the automotive world. From its inception, the company was driven by a vision of innovation and excellence. The early 20th century was a period of rapid technological advancement, and Audi was determined to be at the forefront of this automotive revolution. In 1910, the company released its first car, the Audi Type A Sport Phaeton. This was not just any car, it was a statement of intent. The Type A was designed to showcase Audi's engineering prowess and commitment to quality. This elegant vehicle, powered by a 26-horsepower engine, was a testament to Audi's commitment to performance and luxury. The car's design was ahead of its time, featuring advanced engineering that set it apart from its competitors. The Type A was not just a mode of transportation, it was a symbol of prestige and innovation. The Type A was just the beginning. Audi's engineers were constantly pushing the boundaries of what was possible, and they quickly followed up with a series of successful models. including the Type B, Type C, and Type D. Each new model built on the successes of its predecessor, incorporating new technologies and design improvements that kept Audi ahead of the competition. These cars were known for their smooth handling, powerful engines, and advanced features. Audi's commitment to innovation was evident in every aspect of their design, from the engine to the suspension to the interior. Audi's cars were soon winning races and setting records. The company's dedication to performance was paying off, and their vehicles were proving themselves on the racetrack as well as the road. These early successes in motorsports helped put Audi on the map. The company's reputation for building fast, reliable cars was growing, and they were becoming a force to be reckoned with in the automotive world. The company's cars were proving themselves not just on the road, but also on the track. Audi's success in racing was a testament to the quality and performance of their vehicles. Audi was becoming known for building vehicles that were both stylish and sporty, a reputation that would only grow in the years to come. The company's cars were not just functional, they were also beautiful, with sleek lines and elegant designs that turned heads wherever they went. Audi's advancements continued through the 1920s. The company was constantly innovating, introducing new technologies and features that set their cars apart from the competition. The company introduced new technologies like front-wheel drive and overhead camshafts. These innovations were groundbreaking at the time and helped to establish Audi as a leader in automotive engineering. These innovations kept Audi at the forefront of the automotive industry. The company's engineers were always looking for ways to improve their vehicles, and their dedication to innovation was evident in every new model they released. The company seemed destined for even greater things. Audi's early successes laid the foundation for a legacy of innovation and excellence that continues to this day. As the automotive industry evolved, so did Audi, always staying one step ahead of the competition and setting new standards for performance, luxury, and design. The 1930s brought significant change to the German automotive landscape. It was a time of transformation and innovation, where the automotive industry began to see the potential for growth and development despite the challenges that lay ahead. The global economic depression created a challenging environment. The stock market crash of 1929 had sent shockwaves around the world, leading to widespread economic hardships. Factories closed, unemployment soared, and many industries struggled to survive. The automotive sector was no exception, facing significant financial strain and uncertainty. In 1932, Audi took a bold step by merging with three other German automakers, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer. This strategic move was driven by the need to consolidate resources, share technological advancements, and strengthen their market position during these tough economic times. This merger led to the formation of Auto Union AG, a new automotive powerhouse. The creation of Auto Union was a significant milestone in the history of the German automotive industry, marking the beginning of a new era of collaboration and innovation. The four interlocking rings of the Auto Union logo became an iconic symbol. Each ring represented one of the four founding companies, symbolizing the unity and strength of the newly formed group. This logo would go on to become one of the most recognizable emblems in the automotive world. Each ring represented one of the four founding companies, symbolizing the unity and strength of the newly formed group. This unity was not just symbolic, it was a practical alliance that allowed the companies to pool their expertise, resources, and technologies to create better, more innovative vehicles. Audi was now part of something bigger, poised to make an even greater impact. As part of Auto Union, Audi had access to a wealth of resources and expertise, enabling it to push the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. Auto Union quickly established itself as a force to be reckoned with. The combined strengths of Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer allowed Auto Union to innovate and excel in ways that individual companies could not have achieved on their own. The company was known for its innovative designs and its commitment to motorsport. Auto Union's engineers and designers were constantly pushing the envelope, experimenting with new technologies and design philosophies to create vehicles that were not only beautiful, but also highly functional and efficient. Auto Union's Silver Arrows racing cars, with their sleek aerodynamic bodies and powerful engines, dominated Grand Prix racing in the mid-1930s. These cars were a testament to the company's engineering prowess and its dedication to excellence in motorsport. This era saw Auto Union achieve numerous victories and set world records. The success of the silver arrows on the racetrack brought prestige and recognition to Auto Union, solidifying its reputation as a leader in automotive innovation and performance. Drivers like Bernd Rosemeyer and Tazio Nuvolari became legends behind the wheels of these powerful machines. Their skill and bravery on the racetrack were matched by the advanced technology and engineering of the cars they drove, creating a perfect synergy that led to numerous victories and unforgettable moments in racing history. The silver arrows pushed the boundaries of automotive technology and design, leaving an indelible mark on motorsport history. The innovations developed during this era would go on to influence automotive design and engineering for decades to come, setting new standards for performance, safety, and efficiency. The legacy of Auto Union's innovations can still be seen in today's automotive industry. The pioneering spirit and commitment to excellence that defined Auto Union continue to inspire modern car manufacturers, driving them to push the boundaries of what is possible in automotive design and engineering. Today, Audi stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Auto Union. The four rings of the Auto Union logo have become synonymous with quality, innovation, and performance, and Audi continues to build on this rich heritage, creating vehicles that are at the forefront of automotive technology and design. As we look to the future, Audi remains committed to the principles that defined Auto Union: innovation, excellence, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. With cutting-edge technologies and a vision for a sustainable, connected future, Audi is poised to lead the automotive industry into a new era of mobility. The Auto Union era was a time of transformation and innovation, laying the foundation for the modern automotive industry. Its legacy lives on in the cars we drive today, and will continue to shape the future of mobility for generations to come. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 brought Auto Union's racing endeavors to a halt. Like many industries, car production was heavily impacted by the war effort. The company's factories were converted to produce military vehicles and equipment. The war had a devastating impact on Germany, and Auto Union was not spared. The company's factories were heavily damaged and its assets were seized. Auto Union was effectively dissolved. Despite these setbacks, the spirit of innovation and the desire to rebuild remained. In 1949, a group of former Auto Union engineers and employees laid the foundation for a new beginning in Ingolstadt, a city in Bavaria, Germany. This marked the rebirth of the company, though not yet under the Audi name. This new company, initially called Zentralwerkstatt, focused on restarting production. They started with motorcycles and small delivery vehicles, essential for a recovering Germany. This period was marked by